Go!
Hello, my name is Aline and Alexandru. Today we are going to do a sandwich. Ingredients: ham, tomatoes, cheese, and bread.
First, you have to add the cheese in the bread. 2. You have to add the ham in the bread. 3. You have to add tomato in the bread.
Finish.